You don't have to look far these days to find an expert in just about any field. YouTube, DTube, and several other video platforms are flowing with tutorials and DIY videos to teach you everything from tomato gardening to scrapbooking. But seriously, when the following group of actual blockchain experts rallied at the EOS Hackathon in Cape Town, South Africa last month, well, let's just say the audience was all ears. My name is Clay Albright, and this is Block Talk. The recent Grand Finale of Block.one's marathon EOS Global Hackathon series involved finalists undergoing an incubation week in Cape Town, South Africa. In addition to one-on-one mentoring and workshops, the schedule included a host of speakers with excellent advice covering financial modeling, growth trajectories, acquiring customers, pitching investors, and much more. In a recent article published by Block.one titled Building a Business on Blockchain, we learned some pretty fantastic advice from these successful entrepreneurs. Mark Levitt, the CTO and co-founder of Gift, had this to say about blockchain development. In the blockchain world, you should look to serve a niche market with a unique product. It has to be built on blockchain because it adds value in a way that you can't do in a centralized way. Clive Butko, the CEO of Callan Venture Partners, spoke about startups. My advice to startups is to try and bootstrap as long as you possibly can rather than giving up equity in your company. He said that means going after the evangelists, the early customers who want to be the first to adopt the technology and who will validate your business model. Brian Miller, a senior associate with EOS VC, clarifies the need for tokens.
The blockchain, I personally consider technology. You don't always have to have a token in order to use blockchain. And when I say you don't have to have a token, I mean not one that's listed on an exchange or it's free trading. It can be held within the system and held within a closed network. Two of the top 5 markets in the world don't allow you to formally do token sales, or it's not advisable to do token sales. If the world is 8 billion people at this time, or give and take, and you're cutting out a third of the world's population because of the way your model works, well, that puts you at a disadvantage.
Trisha Martinez, the founder and CEO of Voila, spoke about the importance of community. Knowing your customer starts with community building, which isn't something you have to invest a lot of money in. If you really want to solve their problems and drive change, you have to have those one-on-one relationships. And finally, Cobus Kruger, the co-founder of Stacker, touched a little bit on growth. Don't try and be too big too soon. Build it small and build it out from there. When you think about distribution and user adoption, think about how you can leverage something that already exists. How can I leverage an existing community? Kruger said for you guys building companies on EOS, you have that at your disposal. The EOS community is one of the largest communities in this space. Think from that level, then the wider blockchain, then out from there. Great job to Block.one for the amazing event series, and a huge congratulations to all of the hackathon participants. For more news like this, visit our website at eosusa.news. Thanks for watching Block Talk. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.